growing up? Are you ready to wake up?
No.
Are you growing up? And you're sleeping in a big boy bed? Can you wake up and smile?
No.
Are you happy?
No.
Are you upset? Are you tired? We gotta wake up. Wake up and say good morning. Good morning.
No.
No. We're a pretty big boy though. First night in our big boy bed. You just realized where you were?
Dada.
He's not here. He's at work.
Dada.
Oh, you can say hi though. I'll send this video to him. Can you say good morning, Dada? Say good morning, Dada.
Mama. Dada.
Morning, Dada. You say good morning, Mama.
Mama. Mimi.
You hear puppies?
No.
No, you don't. You don't hear puppies? Nice drool spot.
Ow.
Okay.
Dada.
Bye-bye.